In this video, I'll be showing you how to copy and paste text on Samsung phone.
Now this works exactly the same regardless of whatever application we're using. So for this example, I'm going to be using a notepad right here. You can literally use on, again, any application, Instagram, Snapchat, your text messages, literally anything. So all I want to go ahead and do, let's say this is the thing I want to copy, right? So I'm just going to put it into one sentence. If I want to go ahead and copy all of it, just got to hold down on like one of the words. Then I'm going to see those two circles on the left and right. I can drag the right one and then I can drag it to highlight everything or only like certain bits. Literally just using my thumb. So you've got to hold down on it and then move it wherever you want. Then once you're done with that, you're going to see a few different options on top. Cut, copy, paste, paste as plain text. Now if I go ahead and press copy, it's going to copy it to the clipboard. I can then, hold down somewhere else, press paste, and then there you go. It's going to copy and paste easily. Now if I do the exact same thing on highlight everything, if I press cut, it basically removes it from its original position, and then I can go ahead and paste it somewhere else as well. And then if you want to paste it as plain text, that basically means it's not going to have any of like the formatting. So if it had like a black background, a different color, if it was in bold or anything like that, it would all be removed and it would be pasted as normal plain text.